Welcome. In front of me is a Nokia C32, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into the device. Now before we get started, you'll need to grab a SIM eject tool similar to this one, which comes provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could just use a paper clip. Straighten out one of the ends and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one of those, you want to pop out the tray, which is located on the top left side of the device, so right here where the pin is holding right now. You want to push that pin in, and you can see that the tray comes out ever so slightly, enough for you to be able to grab it and yank it out. Now on the tray you have space for 2 SIM cards and 1 SD card. I'm going to start with the SD card. You can place it on the tray, so. When it comes onto SIM cards, you can obviously occupy both of these trays or one of them, and if you're planning to use one, it doesn't matter which one you choose, so just slap it in whatever is quicker for you. From there, carefully insert it back into your device because there's nothing holding those cards in place. Once you do insert the tray, the cards should start working right away. Now my SIM won't show up any kind of connection, I believe, because it's kind of now turned off already from inactivity and not paying for it, but SD card does give us a notification, as you can see right here. So that's how you insert your cards into the device. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.